Once again guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way step to change your MAC address manually. So we are not going to use any software because it is just good to know how to do things manually, because maybe sometimes the softwares that are there don't work the way we like. So, and to do that I'm going to open a terminal window here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. So I'm going to type this command, which is ifconfig. And this is our MAC address now, which is 08:0027. And what other thing you need to notice is the interface name. So I'm going to copy that interface name. And we're going to put the interface down first so that we can be able to change the MAC address. And after typing that command, so we're going to type this command to change your MAC address now. It's sudo ifconfig, then the interface name, then I'm going to copy my new MAC address here now. Then I'm going to type this command, is sudo ifconfig, and if you now type the command ifconfig, as you can see, we've been able to change our MAC address to the new one. On that side, I will see you in the next one.